In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to properly utilize the hotkey dial, the hotkey switch, and the trigger switch on the back of the joystick and how they work together. To give you an example of how they work, I'm going to turn my rotary dial here for the hotkey. I'm going to turn it to the 1 o'clock position. It brings up the header. And what you'll see here is in this dialog box on the main operating screen brings up information that we can actually change that setting. For right now, we got the header pitch pulled up. If you go here, I'm going to turn this left dial here. If you turn, you can actually go to, for example, lateral leveling and adjust your lateral leveling from the screen as well. I'm going to go back to the header pitch for the illustration of this example. And what you'll see here is then the right dial here. If I begin to turn that, I can change the header pitch of the head. I'll show you here out front. You'll see the hydraulic cylinder retracting right now as I change that pitch, and then I can extend it back out here. And all I'm doing is using this rotary dial here. As I go back to this screen, you'll see that we can also utilize the hotkey here to make that same adjustment. What I'll do is I'll center this hotkey switch here in the center position, and I'll go to my trigger. It's on the back of the joystick, and what you'll see here is I can also use that trigger to actually change the header pitch. So that is how example of how the header switch, the hotkey switch, the hotkey dial, and the joystick trigger switch all work together, and you can utilize it to adjust header pitch for this example.